Hello everybody, today we make a shrimp with a linguine and tomato sauce. For the ingredients I got shrimp, I clean up so beautiful already. I got white wine, I got a basil, flake hot pepper, parsley from my garden. I got a garlic, and I got a tomato, and I got my linguine. I use a tomato pulp Bamuti, but if you don't got it like I got the pulp, you can use a regular fresh plum tomato. Okay, now we start with the pots over here. I put the gas on, and we put oil. This olive oil, olio di oliva. And I want to put 2 pieces of garlic over here. I want to saute the shrimp first. They give with the garlic a really good taste. Okay, now the garlic is start to jump around, and let's start with the shrimp. I put the shrimp, and we give a little turn. I want to cook a little bit of the shrimp, like I said, with the garlic. Okay, now the shrimp, I cook only a couple of minutes, only to give a good taste with the garlic. And now the shrimp already done, and what I want to do, I want to put a little wine to give you a really good taste. And we leave it cook now a little bit to give it a taste with the wine. After this, I gotta take it out, and we gotta start with the sauce, and this you gotta go inside of the sauce. Okay, now the shrimp done, and we put it right on this dish over here. Okay, now this, it's so good, it smells so good. And now we load the gas, and we put a little extra oil, and we gotta fry the garlic. And this is the garlic I chop really small, and I want to put inside now. Okay, now we raise the gas a little bit. I want to cook the garlic really good. But make sure to not burn the garlic. Okay, the garlic gotta be nice color, white, not black. After it not taste right. So you burn the garlic, it never be good any kind of the thing you do. Okay, now the garlic is ready. Let's open this sauce over here. Oh, okay, look how beautiful. This is the mutti sauce. Look how nice red sauce you got over here. Really good. Now this sauce, it's only tomato. You know, got a nut inside. Only the plum tomato, it's the pulp. And now we give a nice mix on this. And I want to put little black pepper. I use a little salt. And I got my flake hot pepper. And we turn everything together. Now this, you gotta cook for 10 minutes, the sauce. After you cook for 10 minutes, we gotta put the shrimp inside, and with the shrimp, we cook only 3 minutes. Do not cook too much of the shrimp, after it come tough, like a shoelace. And I don't like a shoelace. I use the shoelace only for my shoes, okay? But when I eat, I want the shrimp to be crunchy, crunchy, go. Okay, now the water boil. I got a half-pound linguine. This is enough for me and my wife. It's good. And we put it right over here. I salt already the water. Now this you gotta cook for 10 minutes. Okay, now the pasta you cook already for 7 minutes. You gotta cook for 3 more minutes. At that time for 3 more minutes, I gotta cook my shrimp with the sauce for 3 minutes. And we put the sauce, the shrimp, and we give a little turn over here on the shrimp. And now I got my basil, fresh basil, And I want to cut, not chop with a knife, get lose the juice. I cut like this about my finger. And I want to put little parsley. We give a little turn, the shrimp, everything together. And now, the shrimp you gotta cook for 3 more minutes, like I said. Got the pasta be ready the same time. Okay, now the pasta is done. We move a little bit. This pasta, boy, it's so hot to this handle. Shoo. And we put over here. And now, we gotta take the pasta out. Look how nice al dente. We put it right inside over here. Look how beautiful. Oh, my wife, she can't wait for this dish. A nice glass of wine. Hey. Okay, now we give it a little mix. Oh, look at the color of this sauce. It's so good. Yeah, really good. Look at that. Okay, now ready to go. Let's go over here on the table. And I want to pick up, I want to taste. And let me put a couple of shrimp on the top. And I want to use a little parsley on the top. And I got my, oh yeah, baby. All right. The shrimp. Nice. Crunchy. Little pasta, a little this. My oh yeah baby. It's really hot, my baby. Okay. I want to say to everybody, salute chin chin. I hope somebody make this dish. It's so delicious. Easy. Salute e chin chin ad everybody. A salute. Thank you very much. And we see next time another beautiful dish.